Alright, so introduce yourself.
Hi guys, welcome to my.
Alright, so introduce yourself.
Yo, everybody, you don't know. Welcome to my first YouTube video. You don't know a stiff breast,
Stiff breast.
known as Camille Murdoch.
Stiffest breast in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Alright, so stiff breast. So, where say I go on your channel now? Where I go do on your channel?
You don't know, say me I go do some comedy, plan. A lot of entertaining things we are going to go on with on Stiff Breast YouTube. A lot of things. Crazy fun.
So what you know? If people them want to know what you do for fun.
When me do for fun, you don't know, say me love chat loud and vulgar and all these things. You know. Me love me dancing. Yeah.
Oh, so you like God dance and stuff there?
Yes, I'm in a club.
Hey. I don't hear that. Alright, so what you know? So what's your favorite show?
My favorite show is White Girls. Check out the Netflix, White Girls. Check it out. Comedy. Yeah, you don't know, say me love my African show them. Me not left out that. Check out Dangerous Love and all these things, yeah.
So what type of music you love?
I like soft music.
What do you mean?
Only when going to bed.
What do you mean soft music?
Yeah, I like soft music when I'm going to bed.
To bed as in?
Oh my God! I just love soft music. That's me. I just love my soft music.
Alright, so if you're gonna go anywhere in Jamaica for your day, which part that would be?
Well, you know, I would go to Canada.
Oh!
Or no, I'll go to a club.
You say Jamaica?
Yeah, what's a club?
So what's the reason you join YouTube?
Well, the reason why I just like the fun of comedy and all this. I just like
Oh,
fun.
so you like you get inspired by
like to
comedy
plank
and then
I watch Farish and Javon Hines and
King and
Shay. Me just love Gwan and me just like the thing. Me just like it like that. So yeah.
Alright, so say for instance you go make a video. So like you have people who go can help you and them stuff there?
Yeah. A lot of people subscribe to my channel and like and share and comment. Yeah, straight. You don't know a stiff breast not deal with, you know. Yeah. Straight.
But what you know? You know, say you go have some people where like, you know, we now go support the thing, you see me?
Well, that's a part of life. Not everybody gonna support you in life. Some people are gonna deal with the negative and some gonna deal with the positive.
Yeah, so positive.
But you know here, so
yeah.
one love.
One heart.
Let's get together.
Be alright.
You don't know a stiff breast.
Stiffest breast in Jamaica.
Straight. Not lie.
Alright, so when it comes to dressing, how that go now?
Well, for me, you know I'm not fussy already. No, stiff breast not fussy about
Hey.
dressing. I don't see me I go dance anywhere up on the road. Anywhere me I go, nobody knows me not fussy already. Me just a simple girl.
Yeah, but you know say some girl just stay 5 hours in a glass before they go somewhere.
No, not me. Me I just want a little simple normal girl. That's why me love my chicken back, you know.
Hey.
Me love my curry chicken back. That's my favorite food. Curry chicken back. Even the skin and the fat from the chicken back. You think me I just show at that part me love.
But you know say dear though.
Chicken batty. What that man? And that's what me love from the chicken back. Me that can't dash up for me. Cause that's what me love. Curry chicken back with me chocho and me carrot.
Yeah.
Straight and me Irish. I'm to you.
Yeah man, you're definitely unique man. Some man not eat that man.
Well, that me love.
If I no KFC, them not say nothing.
No. Guys, you don't know, a stiff breast channel, you know, just please remember to like, share, comment, and make sure to touch the red bell, you know. Yes, guys, you know I'm out.